Lombok, Indonesia, boasts stunning hidden waterfalls waiting for adventurous travelers to discover. Tucked away in lush jungles, Tiu Kalep is one such waterfall that offers mesmerizing views and an invigorating swimming experience beneath cascading waters. Hikers often take the scenic route through rice terraces and thick forests to find these gems, making the journey equally memorable. Another lesser-known spot, Sendang Gile, captivates with its dramatic height and serene atmosphere, perfect for a peaceful escape. These cascading wonders not only provide breathtaking views, but also invite passionate trekkers to explore Lombok's untouched beauty and soak in its natural allure.